Hi everyone, and welcome to this video designed to help you understand more about how you can use Airscale on a day-to-day basis with some simple use cases. The use case we're going to go through today will be scraping Google Maps and then finding the owners of local businesses using a specific enrichment. The first step is to click on the Find Companies toggle right here, and then choose the right module, which is Find Local Businesses with Google Maps. For this specific example, we are going to scrape some real estate brokers in New York. So here I've just written down my location and my query. I can include contact information or not. That's up to you. If you do, then Airscale will scrape some information from the company website. And then you can also put a limit to your search. I'm just going to write down 40 because this is just for a demo, so no need to find more than one page. Keep in mind that there is a limit of 500 companies that you can upload to a table with this module. We are now going to launch the extraction. So once everything has loaded to the table, we can start the enrichments. I would just like to point out that some columns have been automatically added by Airscale, such as company domain, company location, phone number. And the company domain is especially important because that's the input we're going to need to find some specific job positions in those companies. And we can just start the enrichment, and you just have to click on Enrich and then go to the Find People category. Click on Find People in Companies. That's what we're going to use. Select the rows you would like to enrich, and then select the company domain because that is all we have for now. Write down the job titles you would like to find. If you're looking for more than one job title, then this is not necessarily the right solution for you, and we can go through that at the end of this video on how to do that, because when you write down a job title in this enrichment, Airscale will find the first one, and if it doesn't find the second one, but it won't find both, and it will find the first one in priority. So if you're looking for CEOs more than owners, then make sure to put that as the first job title. And then you just write down the people location. That's important as well, and you can run the workflow once that's done. When the enrichment has been launched, a new column will have appeared, several new columns actually, because you will automatically have first name, last name, job title, LinkedIn URL as well, which is pretty useful if you want to enrich finding phone numbers, professional emails, etc. That's an input that's pretty important for that. So yeah, we could just imagine that we want to find the emails of those people and then just put down the correct inputs. And then you can just run that workflow to find the emails that you need to find. As per usual, the emails that have been found have also been verified by Airscale automatically without spending more credits than you need to spend finding them. And now we're going to circle back to what I said in case you need to find several positions in a company. In order to do that, you need to go back to the home section and go to Find People. Use our Leads Finder module. In People Attributes, current company, you can select from an Airscale table that's pre-existing. So we can choose the real estate brokers, for example, and then use the company domain, company, write down the job titles that you would like to find. So you can write a couple of them, and then you just have to preview the search results, access the results, and that is how you can find different job titles, job positions in a company. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to send us an email or just reach out and we'd be glad to help you.